everyone, today we talk about hospital drug supply management is very important to ensure patients receive safe, effective, and timely treatment. If the supply system does not function well, it can affect treatment outcome and hospital operation. This is just a statement. Next, our presentation includes 5 main parts. Part 1, drug supply management process. Part 2, role of hospital pharmacists. Part 3, problem and solution. Part 4, conclusion and recommendation. And finally, we will present our reflection. First, I will talk about the management of intravenous antibiotic supply in the hospital, especially in specialized hospitals. This topic is very important because intravenous antibiotics are commonly used to treat serious infections. If they are not managed well, it can lead to drug shortage, waste, and risk to persons. First process begins with identify demand. Doctor prescribe an antibiotics based on the person, condition, and treatment guidelines. Pharmacists review data from various months to estimate how much antibiotic is needed. This helps the hospital avoid buying too little medicines. Next is planning and catering. Based on the estimate demand, the pharmacy department person purchasing plans. Antibiotics are purchased according to the hospital formulary and regional regulation. During the step, cost, quality, and availability are carefully considered. After that, the hospital select supply must be licensed and follow suit manufacturing practice standards. Pharmacists check important documents such as certificates, batch number, and expiry dates to ensure the medicines are safe and legal. When the antibiotics are delivered, quality control is carried out in the warehouse. Pharmacists check the packaging, label, storage condition, and expiration dates on all these medicines that meet all requirements and are received into the warehouse. Then comes storage and inventory management. Intravenous antibiotics are stored under stable conditions such as proper temperatures and humidity. The pharmacist applies the first out recipe and reduce waste and prevent to use of expired drugs. The antibiotics are distributed to client department based on daily prescription. Pharmacists report the correct drug dose and quality for each person. This helps ensure that person receives the right medicine at the right time. In conclusion, the management of intravenous antibiotic supply is a continuous and careful process. It requires good cooperation between doctor, pharmacists, and supply to ensure the safe and effective use of medicines in hospitals. This comprehensive approach ensures the safe and effective use of essential medicine, ultimately benefiting patient outcome in a hospital.
Hello, everyone. I am Lee. Next, I will go into more detail about three specific tasks that pharmacists must perform well to manage the drug in the hospital effectively. The role of hospital pharmacists in drug management. Introduction role of hospital pharmacists. In the evolving landscape of Vietnamese healthcare, the hospital pharmacist has transitioned from a technical role to a core strategic manager. This presentation will highlight their pivotal function in the three key operational pillars: inventory management, expiry date control, and rational drug use monitoring. First, in inventory management and drug procurement, pharmacists are responsible for drug forecasting, purchasing, and stock control, as regulated by the Circular number 58 of 2023 from the Ministry of Health. They use ABC and VEN alerts to prioritize essential medicine and drug on the restricted list. To manage drug shortage following official dispatch number 1302, pharmacists establish early warning system and prepare alternate. Second, regarding expiry dates control and quality assurance, pharmacies strictly monitor expiry dates and stock condition. They apply the first expiry, first out principle and mention the cold chain for vaccine and biological products. Regular inventory check have identify and remove expired or substandard medicine, ensuring drug quality and patient safety. Pharmacists play an important role in regional drug use monitoring. They review prescription to ensure compliance with hospital formularies and national treatment guidelines. In particular, pharmacists contribute to antimicrobial stewardship program by monitoring antibiotic use and promoting appropriate prescribing. Through effective management, strict quality control, and rational drug use monitoring, hospital pharmacists are indispensable pillar of the healthcare system. They provide administrative management and clinical practice, contribute to a safe, effective, economically sustainable hospital pharmacy system, support healthcare reform and integration in Vietnam.
Thank you for the previous presentation. My name is Minh Trang, and in the next part, I will focus on four main challenges in hospital medicine supply management and how they can be addressed. And now, I have a mini game for you. Please take a look at this image and try to guess what they are describing. This slide have two main problems. These are medicine inventory, expired medicine, and irrational drug use. In the next slide, I will present some solutions to address this problem. Now we are moving to the solution for delayed medication delivery. This problem is mainly caused by dependence on suppliers, imported medicines, lengthy bidding, and administrative procedures. To address the issue, several solutions can be implemented. First, hospitals should diversify suppliers and prioritize qualified domestic manufacturers whenever possible to reduce dependence on imported medicines. Procurement activities should be planned yearly based on project medicines need to avoid shortage and delivery delay. Next, I will move on to the solution for the discrepancies between the inventory system and the actual stock. This problem is mainly caused by manual data entry error, delay or failure in real-time stock update, poor inventory control and monitoring procedures. To solve these issues, several practical solutions can be applied. First, regular training should be provided for staff on how to use inventory management software properly. Second, inventory records should be updated immediately after drug dispensing, return, or transfer to ensure accurate data. Finally, hospitals should establish and strictly follow standard operating procedure or SOP for inventory management. Next, I will talk about solution for medicine inventory problem and expired medicines. These problems are mainly caused by poor demand forecasting and procurement planning, as well as ineffective inventory management. And about solution. First, hospitals should improve demand forecasting by using historical consumption data, disease pattern, and treatment plans. This helps ensure that medicines are purchased in appropriate quantities. Second, inventory management principles such as first expire, first out, or first in, first out should be strictly applied. Finally, I will talk about solution of irrational drug use. This problem is mainly caused by two reasons: patient-related factors, inadequate knowledge and training of healthcare staff. I think patient education and counseling should be improved to help patients understand proper medication use and treatment adherence. Besides that, hospitals should provide continuous medical education for healthcare staff. This training should focus on rational drug use, antibiotics, drug interaction, and medication safety. To conclude, drug supply management is very important role in hospital. In this process, pharmacists play a key role in planning, procurement, inventory management, and rational drug use. Therefore, hospitals should improve planning and demand forecasting to avoid drug shortage and overstocking. At the same time, the role of pharmacists should be strengthened through training and greater involvement in clinical and management activities. And finally, applying information technology system in drug management can help improve accuracy, efficiency, and transparency. There are our reference. Thank you for listening.